Are you ready to take the terror out of Terraform? Today we kick off our October Terraform series by setting up our Terraform environment in AWS on a Linux machine. We already went through the high level theory, and if you haven't seen that video, I recommend you check it out. Link above. So today let's get our hands dirty. This will be a short video but a necessary video. I'll also provide all of the links in the description. Also stick around to the end so you know what Friday's Terraform video will be about, as that is the theme for the month if you didn't catch my drift. Don't worry, it won't be terrible. Let's get started.
This that venti fried chicken, that venti fried chicken, this that.
Hey VFC fam, it's your boy Joshua Tech Dev Walker, your Venti Fried Chicken author and global cloud slinger. This channel is dedicated to cloud computing and technology, so if you're interested in cloud or tech, subscribe now, as I'm putting out 2 videos a week. Disclaimer, I already have my virtual private cloud created. I've also launched my EC2 into a public subnet. Also, if you're a security person, I'm using a sandbox from Linux Academy / a cloud guru. So by the time you see this video, all of this will be destroyed. And this is also locked down to my home network, so we have no concerns here. So let's download that Terraform. So if you type install Terraform into Google, then you'll find the link that you need after these ads. And as you can see, they have all types of installations for all types of operating systems. Of course, we're going to be installing in AWS today, so we'll be using Linux. And then they have a special installation for Amazon Linux, which is quite nice. So as you'll see, this is pretty easy to follow along with, but I know a lot of us are visual learners, so I figured this video would still be helpful. And it's hard to do a tutorial series when you don't start from the beginning, you know. So as you guessed it, I'm gonna copy this, and I'm using the AWS Cloud Shell. I already put my PEM in here. I just thought it'd be easier for me to work from the browser, as this is just for a demo. And so I have my sudo yum install. Installing this view. So now that I've installed the config manager, I'm gonna add the official HashiCorp Linux repository. Just gonna clear my screen, just so it's easier for you guys to see. So just a copy paste there. And then last but not least, I'm gonna hit install Terraform. Go back to my Cloud Shell. And you see that bad boy will run. It's so pretty. Let me clear my screen again. And as Terraform suggests, I'm going to verify my installation, which is quite easy and quite nice. So do Terraform help plan up, and we are good to go. And call me paranoid, but I always check with version as well. So Terraform -- version, and voila, we are ready to go. So one additional thing that they give you that you can add, and this is totally optional, but it helps just with development in general, is having tab completion for Terraform commands. Install autocomplete, and voila, we now have autocomplete for Terraform. So if you were writing a pretty long script or hopping from file to file in Terraform, autocomplete, tab complete is just super essential. So for Friday's tutorial, we'll be deploying some infrastructure, and I'll also make the code available, so you won't want to miss that. I hope this was interesting. Dad jokes only. Let me know in the comments what tutorials you would like to see within Terraform as far as building stuff. I have a pretty extensive schedule, but happy to splice based on what the users need, you being the user. As always, train, inspire, relate, cloud.